Well, we're back here. I can get the key. Ooh. This is small. Hello guys, it's Fire Alarm 9200 here, and today, yeah, I got a Siemens UMHST right there, but that's not what I'm showing today. What I have to show today is this. Yep. It's a small box. But it is a little something for SafeWatch Pro 3000. Now, I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I'm not going to give any hints to what it is. So I'm going to use my knife. Gotta be careful. I don't want to cut myself, 'cause that would not be good. Ooh, yeah. One thing yeah, let's go ahead and pull it. Yep. Yep. Kaboom! Or Shazam. I like Shazam better. Okay. It's Honeywell Ademco Wave 2. Indoor siren for the SafeWatch Pro, also known as the Ademco Vista 20, or any Vista panel. What's being shown right here is Ademco Vista Tennessee, and I'll test it here on this in a second. So go ahead and cut the wrapping. We'll go ahead and take a look at this. Now, when I unboxed my 747 siren, which it's currently outside, its box is... oh, it's over here. Now, its box is a little bigger than the Wave 2's, but just like the Wave 2, when I got it, I was actually expecting the box to be a little bigger. So here's a 747 box. And this siren, oh wow, the siren's a bit bigger than I thought. Here's instructions right here. And here is the Wave 2. Now this is louder than my 747. Now, and it's a bit easier to work with than the 747 as well. As you can see, we got wall anchors here. I'm gonna need those. Not for the Wave 2, but I do have something else security system-wise for the SafeWatch that I need it for. So here's the inside of the Wave 2. This is how you mount it and wire it. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put wires through here. Yeah, you're supposed to put wires through here. And the connections are right here, screw terminals, which the 747 has pigtail wires. And the RX-7C has pigtail wires too. I like to call the RX-7 the dying bird, because that's literally what it sounds like. And those of you that want to say that the RX-7 is one of the loudest sirens, it's really not. It's 90 decibels. My 747 is 95 decibels, and this is 106 decibels. And these are very loud. I have not heard a Wave 2 in person before, so this is going to be the first time. I'm going to go ahead and wire it to my Ademco Vista Tennessee. So I'll be right back. So I currently got my Wave 2 wired up, and the tone is currently set to warble. And I have my BG12 here for the fire zone. And I'm using this button here to act as a door contact. See when I push it? Not ready. Just gonna try it again. So now I'm gonna put it in away. Armed away, you may exit now. And now I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through it. Okay, so armed away, all secure, and now I'm going to go ahead and activate the door contact. Alarm system or alarm occurs. So now we're just going to wait. Yeah, that's loud. It actually scared me. It didn't do the 10-second beep, which I do want to set up on here. So I'm ready to arm. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the pull station. Now, let's go ahead and reset the pull station. Go ahead and yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and set it to steady. Okay, now I have it set on the steady tone, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the panics this time. Ouch. Fire. Yeah, really loud. Yeah. So that is the Honeywell Ademco Wave 2. Yep, I got a Wave 2 now, and I'm going to go ahead and hook this on my SafeWatch Pro, because I do want to do a demonstration of the 747, you know, an older siren on one of these systems, because it pretty much, that's what the 747 was for. It was for one of these panels. So, have a nice day.